Tino aro phai maja phainai chini khajoksa chini bobagra Podol Kishore Manika Bahadur Tipra Mothane Chairman Bona Balai Hambai Marago Te phai maja chini aro Tipra Mothane President chini okra Bikar Uncle Teaching additional chairman Chini Dada Tei Chini Pema Kar Kemang Machini Neta Ang Bung Salia and Bondu Chin Onimes Deputy CM Teaching MLA Joton Tongo Teaching our Puya Ani Sikla Ani Saukra Ani Setrai Ani Sabaksa Bonapila Hambai Marago Angkini Beleka Tong Toksa Angkino Oman Wansaka Horogo Asang Samang Clay Himani Taklahe Angkusing Yako Angkagakam Ang Sara Bishopit Gurika Ang play Baroda country Ang Gurineka Bonipura ang tini Montrinka Tabak sing tini Tansangka Omni Porewo Ang Imang Kore Tuipano Anggar Excellent Tuipano Ani apa santi mana ang kagau? Tamne ke ang muncul mana? 2009 jumlah file ka. Apa sih action kaya matro 70 jon. 2009 go. Seng Cina mo nahor menggai seno. Cina haste katal khai marinai. Statehood khai marinai. Seng tibrai pihak tanggang kelai, seng lama no cuma bengayu, lama hingga aja cuma naik borok tak layu, ang belai laju, ani bisas tongu, ani pojok tongu, salsa, oh anak bengai naik, anak naik sini naik, bisas kesini kezak naik, cibam naik, borok bahai no. Ishwar borong no hamari nai te boro tiplan ni machan nai angdewan somani tini no purano khan khagawang boni bagoi ang tini hopong butir maya ang tini tinta bacau oi ang relin sno thanu ang mai mo khia Sengkana cini sigla rok, cini juan rok, balai ke dukho mangka, lama rok nang kamalai ke angka tu khobor nai tongo, mai ke angka masa ya matu ya, serai rok tongo cini sigla rok tongo, bola balai birman maka ang kenau, ang tinda ko tongo orang montren nai, biar biru mo tongo, gitu ane bekhago, ane sande kerui. Kuai ni borok, ane alakane borok, anak bum kai chau, hodi borok, sara ane behala bor nicin cerai masa kemangui tangga, negesa naikira dihna ane chau, borok para borok kabjak, boni buhi besar kabjak, tahu boh kabjak. Pia batini, aset sini sigarok, buha kuar, buha kerak. Hani bang do pani bagoi sung tu hoya koson hoya kene pheli jau bayo behno दिल्ली वासियों आप लोग मालूम है त्रिपुरा राज्य बॉर्डर में है, बांग्लादेश के पीस में है। हम लोग का इतिहास, हम लोग गोल्डन हिस्ट्री दूसरे से अलग है। हम लोग त्रिपुरावासी इंडिजिनस पीपल, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है। इवन ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश कैन नॉट ऑक्युपाई त्रिपुरा। ऑल ओवर द स्टेट ब्रिटिश में राज किया है, एक्सेप्ट त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है, प्रिंसली स्टेट है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का, आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य, हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है। हम लोग एक दोष है, एक मिस्टेक है, हम लोग इन्हीं का साथ मार्च किया है। After merger with Indian Union, our people, our nation, our Tripura nation, their future, their aspiration, slowly perishing. Therefore, before knowing Tripura, सबसे पहले भारतवासियों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, आप लोग इतिहास पढ़िए। यू रीड हिस्ट्री ऑफ त्रिपुरा टू नो एवरीथिंग। बिफोर नोइंग एवरीथिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोग त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए। इफ यू डोंट नो द हिस्ट्री ऑफ त्रिपुरा, you will not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given a speech in Geneva, when I have given a speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 184 king, more than 5,000 years is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhubakarra Maharaj is a living history. This history have to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history repeating. It is a fact, a true, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. Bonabagai, we shall live together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed, we should not feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the Gulf of India and Gulf of Tripura did not recognize, did not give due importance to our history. This is very unfortunate. Our history is not given important. Our kingdom is not given important. Our contribution of the royal family is not given important. That's the reason behind why we are not happy with the Indian government. We are not happy with the state government. Because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given important. And we are treated as a second-class citizen of India. There's the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. You have seen such a beautiful dance. Our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich. But we are not giving due importance. This is a main paying economy of our people. There are big questions we ask. Why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura? This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we are compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very unfortunate people. In our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history, Maharaj Pradip Kishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. We are not against Indian government. We are not against Tripura government. Our demand, our voice is for our survival. Our demand is within the jurisdiction of Indian Constitution, Article 2 and 3. We are not terrorists. We are not communal. We love India. We want to live with India. But we want to live with identity. We want to live with status. We want to live with respect. The big question about people. As a human being, as an Indian citizen, we want to live as Indian people, as a first-class citizen. We respect India. We respect Constitution of India. That is what our demand. Our demand is justified. Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appealed to the government of India. I appealed my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully. We can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to people of country, My request is in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Mani bagai tini, ang balai ke tong tok ka, sing nakar sano tini sikla rok, tini buri rok, tini buma busa, aku buku rok, balai kos tu mabai ka, daro sai mano, corona virus ni bagai, onek ain kanan tonggo jago, andi kemang ma phone khai ka, dilna officer rok, ai biro phone khai bai ka, dilo kemang ma ain kanan tonggo, kemang rule regulation tonggo, do bono tas pai di. Kita sempurna koi kha, sempurna violent khaya. We are peace-loving people. We are simple people. We are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boni bagai, anggo boni sanai. Sengjot tono, bakha baksa khlai gai. Seng sak bai sak dako khamjak lai gai. Buci lai gai. Seng tini doi din khana mo tang chini khana te besang ham ke khai nai tini joto phai mali kabang ma lengjak bai thamai ma sa ya somai mote khana te besang borok kabang khlai oi khana sang khlai lai nai o kok sai na hai na jot to no ani pai phlaya ani hamjak ma jebani chuba ya fari ani ko gor pai sinai dotor ham bai khlom bai ka